Okay, so after you find the constant proportionality for a table or graph, you should be able to graph anything that has a proportional relationship. So basically, you should be able to find the slope. All right, so let's look at this example. Key ideas before we start. All right, remember that the graph of the proportional relationship between x and y is a straight line, and it has to pass through the origin 0, 0, which is right here. All right. And also remember that this proportional relationship, or this straight line that we're going to have, that's also called the slope. So every Sunday, Matt and his friends get together to play their favorite board game, the Gems of Ravumba. Whoever collects the most gems wins. Players can earn gems by building mines. Matt earns 4 gems for each mine he builds. So there is a proportional relationship between the number of mines that Matt builds and the number of gems he earns. So they want us to graph this relationship. And before you do that, the easiest way, all right, to help you do that is to obviously start at 0 here. But then also, all right, let's see if it says it on here. No, it doesn't have it on here. I would say also to build that table. I like to build a table. All right, so we should have x and y. Up here it says that Matt earns 4 gems for each mine that he builds. All right. And then the number of mines right here is x. So if he has 0 mines, well, how many gems will he earn? 0. All right. If he has 1 mine, it says right here that for each mine, he gets 4 gems. So y will be 4. What about 2? All right. If he has 2, all right, 2 mines, then it should be 2 times, while he gets 4 gems each time. So it would be 2 times 4. Basically, we can tell right away that y equals 4x. All right. Remember x, here's x. X is for each mine that he builds. And then y, I'm going to put y here. Oh, no, that's not y. Y is the relationship. It's the number of gems that he builds. So the number 4 here is not y. The number 4 here is just 4. That's the constant. So if we go back here, we have 2 times 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. So when you plot this out, all right, you go find x. You need, this is x over here. This is y up here. We need 0 for x and then 0 for y, which is right here. Next, we need to go to 1, all right, which is right here. I'm going to move to 1. And then they want us to move up to 4 for y. All right, remember, y is over here, so we have to go up. Move all the way up to 4. All right. If you want, you can just write the coordinates. This is 0, 0, 1, 4. All right. And then the next one is 2, 8. So then I would go move over to 2 this time for x. Move all the way up to 8. And then you should be able to draw your line. So this is your slope. Make sure to also include the arrow at the end to let everyone know that this is a continuous line. All right, it's gonna go on forever in the same direction.